Hello and welcome everyone. Wellness by Oriflame presents Wellness Wave India tutorial video, an online video platform for you and for your all the Oriflame brand partners. In this video, we'll be going to understand that how Wellness by Oriflame improves our overall healthy lifestyle. So what is Wellness by Oriflame? Wellness means healthy lifestyle, and Oriflame promotes your healthy lifestyle by 4 cornerstones. So what does it mean by 4 cornerstones? The way we are secured in our own house by 4 pillars, which makes it a house, a complete, secured and protected house. Similarly, we have 4 cornerstones in Oriflame to protect, secure and create a healthy lifestyle in Wellness by Oriflame. So what are they? How they protect you? How they convert your lifestyle into a healthy lifestyle? Now it's time to understand and promote the 4 cornerstones by Oriflame one by one. Our first cornerstone is nutrition. Nutrition means a healthy diet, food which has all the nutritious ingredients to complete a human body need of healthy lifestyle and eating habits. So we provide you knowledge about your diet routines, your diet plan, that how you should divide your meal plate into fruits, vegetables, carbohydrates, protein diet to complete your full diet in a day. So let's understand that how you should divide your plate model. So 50% is advised to eat fruits and vegetables in a day. 25% must be protein rich food, and rest 25% will be whole grain and fiber rich carbohydrates. So by dividing your food plate in a way to complete your daily nutritional need and to lead a healthy lifestyle, you should continue using the plate model which is guided you in the first corner, nutrition. So first cornerstone was on nutrition. Now we have second cornerstone is high quality nutritional supplement by Oriflame. All Wellness by Oriflame products are developed to help achieve a balanced intake of food and nutrition in today's hectic world to provide healthy, energetic and happy lifestyle. All our products are produced according to the internationally accepted quality and safety standards. Our products are scientifically developed from over 15 years of research in Sweden by Oriflame world-renowned scientist team. Even more, our formulations are based on combination of Swedish science and nature. We have proven our quality product with international world-class certifications of safety and quality standards. We have GMP, means good manufacturing practices. We have certifications like HACCP, which is Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point Principles, and non-GMO, means non-genetically modified organism, means non-chemicalized products, and we have European critical certifications which proves that we have high quality nutritional supplements, and also the Indian license safety, which is Food Safety Standard Authority of India licensed products. So that proves that we have high quality nutritional supplements for you to live a healthy lifestyle. Wellness by Oriflame third cornerstone is exercise. It has equal importance and impact in our healthy lifestyle, as we have already learned in our eating habits of nutrition, first corner, and second corner, high quality nutritional supplement by Oriflame, which improves our healthy eating habits. So if we start at least a 30-minute workout exercise routine on regular basis, will lead improved chance of having better and healthy lifestyle. So there are many benefits of exercising. For example, you'll be in better shape and body physically when you start exercising. Number 2, it works as an antidepressant for you, removes a sleep disorder. It helps increase a mass density and bone density. It increases your immunity to an extent, and there are many benefits of that. So in fourth corner, well-being or community, we always guide you about all the latest information related to Wellness by Oriflame. The agenda behind that is to create a social media platform of Wellness Wave India community where